So I will be conducting this experiment, mixing different liquid chemicals to produce a new substance just to see what it looks like. So I'll be mixing silver, lead, calcium with carbonate, phosphate, hydroxide, and sulfate. So there are my liquids, so let's get the mix in. So first, I'm gonna put silver into the reaction plate first, then going down, then I'm gonna put lead, then I'm gonna put calcium. So I'm gonna put 3 drops of silver going down. All right, I have my silver. Now I'm gonna do the lead. So now I have my lead. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm doing my calcium. I'm doing all the metals first. You didn't really have to go in a particular order, but I just wanted to go in a particular order. I wanted to do all the metals first. Last of my calcium, boom, I drop it in. Now I'm gonna mix my polyatomic compounds, starting off with carbonate. Got my carbonate, I'm gonna go across and add it to the silver, the lead, and the calcium. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm gonna add my phosphate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me put one more drop. So I got my phosphate. And I'm gonna add my hydroxide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And last, I'm gonna add my sulfate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, as you can see from the reaction plate, some of them made reactions, while some of them really didn't react as well as the others. Some of them changed colors. The silver carbonate is like a milky white. The lead carbonate also you can see the silver phosphate is yellow. The lead phosphate is a chalky white, but nothing really reacted with the calcium. Calcium really didn't change in any of them except for maybe the phosphate. But if you look at the hydroxide, the silver hydroxide, it's brown. Some of them became like a solid mixture, while some of them stayed liquid. So like the silver hydroxide became solid sort of, the silver phosphate and the silver carbonate, also the lead carbonate and the lead sulfate. So as you can see, this is what they all look like up close. You can see the solid formed at the bottom of them, as opposed to some that just stayed a liquid. So like all of the calcium, well, the calcium, this one The calcium phosphate is kind of like gelatinous. Look at the way it moves. Like, it's not reacting like just like liquid. As you can see, like, see that one right here? Like, when I move the reaction plate, it's not really moving like. So a lot of them actually, like, if I'm turning it over, like, they're not like spilling. So a lot of them became gelatinous. Interesting. So yeah, that was my inquiry lab, just to mix different chemicals. I should have been wearing some gloves, but I was careful not to get any on my hand. But if you do this like with some other people, other students or adults in there, make sure you wear your eye protection wear and gloves so the chemicals don't get on your hands. All right, stay tuned for more videos. Trey T out. Peace.